मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. So after my previous 2 videos, I decided to do a vegetarian dish, like a chole masala or a soya bean, or switching to something posh and complex, like a casserole, lasagna or some poached eggs. देखा नाम ही कितना complex लग रहा. I was really stuck between a rock and a hard place, and after a lot of thinking and a lot of consultation from my close family and very close friends, I decided that I will do neither of them. Well, I have my reasons, and some of which you'll really like, I guess. Firstly, the latter mentioned dishes, I decided to keep it for a later video, where we as a family are really strong together. Really strong. And for the veg dishes, I've planned something in the next couple videos, and we'll keep it a little secret for now. Golgappe, Pani Puri, Puchka. And also, if you haven't liked, subscribed or shared, please feel free to do so if you're fond of the content I post. And it's perfectly fine if you don't want to help me get monetized, because I have a backup profession in mind where I can wear my shoes, I can wear my suit, I can wear my tie and leave for my job, which looks something like this. So to avoid this, your support would be really valuable. Now the dish I will be presenting for you today is chicken bhuna masala. It's one of my favorite yet simplest variations of the chicken, and the taste leaves a long lasting impressions on your taste buds. The dish is really easy to make and requires minimal effort and minimal time. It has only one simple complication. Simple? Complication? I will tell about this a few minutes into the video. And also guys, you will notice the quantity of the chicken I'll be using is a little more than usual. So please, it's a request to you guys, do not leave the video till the end, because I'll be telling you why I had this amount of chicken with me. And now without wasting any more time, let's get on with it. To start the proceedings, we're gonna finely chop some onions. We also need some tomatoes and grind them into a smooth paste, and also do the same with some ginger garlic and green chilies. Now in a small bowl, we don't need to add in a buttload of spices. We're just gonna add some turmeric, a spoonful of homemade chicken masala, and a spoonful of mixed homemade coriander and cumin powder, and we'll keep it aside. Here, before marinating the chicken, remember to give some small slits just like this. As you know, it'll greatly help the spices to settle in your chicken and enhance the flavor. I've already pre-slit some to show you. To begin with, we'll add some ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix so that the raw smell of the chicken goes away. Now, after 2 minutes, we'll add a spoonful of turmeric, a spoon salt, 1 spoon homemade chicken masala, a spoon coriander powder, and then half a bowl curd. And also, don't forget to juice half a lemon like this. And then, without throwing our karchi away, this time, we'll give it a thorough mix. And after a couple of minutes, it will appear like this. And now we'll store it in a fridge for at least a couple of hours. Now, as we are making chicken bhuna masala, हमें अपने सूखे मसालों को अच्छे से लो फ्लेम पे ड्राई रोस्ट करना है for a few minutes, जब तक we don't get a nice aroma that will fill your chicken. Kitchen. Get your utensil piping hot, add some refined oil, spread it around, and remember to add a pinch of salt to your refined oil so as the ingredients don't pop out of the utensil. Now we'll add the onions in and give it a good saute. And I've used around 10 to 11 medium-sized onions for cooking 1.5 kg of chicken. Also, I forgot to show you guys in the video, I added a spoonful of salt in the onions to help it caramelize more easily. So do not forget to do that. After the onions have got this beautiful golden brown texture, we will add in our ginger garlic green chili paste, and after a little stir for around a couple of minutes, we will then add the backbone of our gravy, the dry roasted spices. And now at super high flame, we will give it a super strong saute. After this, if you want, you can add half a cup of water, and after a few minutes of saute, we will have something like this. When you see it's not sticking to the sides, you can then add your tomato paste in. एंड अगेन यहाँ आपको अच्छे से हाई फ्लेम पे एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट्स तक भुनना है ताकि जो टमेटो मिक्स है आपका वो अच्छे से एक यूनिट बन जाए। Now it's very simple, nothing difficult. You just have to add your leftover curd, saute again for around 5 minutes and then add your chicken in. And as we saw the strength of the whisk in my previous video, we again need strong, patient hands for a powerful stir for anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes on super high flame. It will do no harm if you can add a bit of kasuri methi in for a bit of extra added flavor, and again stir it and cover it for at least 5 minutes or so. After 5 minutes, the chicken will start releasing its moisture and you'll have something like this. So you have to just add in 1 cup of water and that will be more than enough. इस पॉइंट पर आकर आपको ज़्यादा भुनने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है। Around 2 to 3 minutes will be enough and done. Leave it on low flame around 15 minutes and voila! You can see the texture of the gravy has come out really appealing and smooth. And the chicken is really tender. The bone is visible and the pieces are really soft as you can see. Actually chicken बहुत गर्म था जब मैंने प्लेटिंग की, इसलिए unprofessionalism तो अब जानते ही हो. Remember guys, for this recipe, the only kind of effort you have to put in is you have to continuously saute your ingredients, be it the raw onions, the caramelized ones, the spices, everything. आपको अच्छे से भुनना है, यहाँ आपको कमी नहीं करनी। आपका फ्लेवर और आपका टेक्सचर पे ये कैटलिस्ट की तरह काम करेगा। वो जब आप जितने अच्छे से भुनोगे वो आपके टेक्सचर और फ्लेवर्स को और एनहांस करेगा। So as I told you previously in the video, the quantity of the chicken was a little more. तो ये इसलिए था बिकॉज आई डिसाइडेड कि वो चिकन हम सब फैमिली मेम्बर्स नहीं खाएंगे। इंस्टेड मैंने वो सारा फूड पुअर फैमिलीज़ को डोनेट किया है। मैंने कुछ दिनों पहले देखा था कि दे वर स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर 1 स्क्वायर मील अ डे। आई डिसाइडेड कि मेरे पास जितना होगा आई विल डोनेट द एंटायर फूड आई मेक दैट डे टू देम। और टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई थॉट फॉर वीडियो पर्पसेस के लिए मैं ये रिकॉर्ड कर लूँगा, बट जैसे ही मैंने मोबाइल निकाला आई जस्ट कुडंट। मुझसे आगे कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया गया बिकॉज आई फेल्ट रियली गिल्टी, आई फेल्ट रियली सॉरी फॉर माई सेल्फ कि मैं डोनेट कर रहा हूँ और उसके बाद फिर मैं क्यों वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करूँ और क्यों ये सब करूँ। तो फिर बस मैंने मोबाइल अंदर रखा और उन सब के चेहरों पर जो सेटिस्फैक्शन, जो हैप्पीनेस था, उसे बस खड़ा होकर एंजॉय किया। एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, सही में यार बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा हेवनली फीलिंग आती है। So if you can please feed a poor, please do it. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please feel free to like, subscribe and share. And I will be back with some more lip smacking content. Until then, stay home, sanitize yourself and keep watching Plasma TV. This is me, Prince Srivastava, signing off.